how to scan documents and save as a PDF file on the iPhone 15 series. Now there are two different ways how you can do this. So one of the way is to use notes, or you can use files. I find the easiest way is to use files. That is the file manager on the iPhone. So on the home screen or in the app library, open up files. So in here, I'm going to cancel my action and go back to my files. So on the files browse screen, go into the folder where you want to save your PDF document. Here I will save it in my download folder, and then tap on the more button. From the menu, tap on scan documents. Next, point the camera at the document that you want to scan. The phone will automatically attempt to capture the document for you. So it will detect at the four corner of the object, and then it will automatically attempt to scan the document for you. From time to time, it will also offer you to readjust the document. So if it does not detect a proper document, then it will offer you to readjust the size of the document. So here I will point it at the document itself, and I will see if I can try to get it to offer me to readjust the document. Now you can also tap on the shoot button, and here you can see you can drag on one of the handle and you can readjust. So here we can readjust it, and then tap on keep scan. So you can tap on keep scan, or you can tap on retake. Okay, so after that, if you are happy, you can tap on the save button. At the top here, you can use the flashlight. So you can turn on flashlight, turn it off, or use the auto function. You can also apply the filter to your scan. So here we have grayscale, color, black and white, or photo mode. Then tap on saved. Okay, so after that, it is saved into your downloads folder, or the folder that you have selected. Here I will open up and I will tap on done. So that's not the one, so this is the one right here. So here I have scanned 10 documents, and it is now scanned into one single PDF file. So that is one of the methods. The other method is to use notes. So on my home screen here, you can open up the notes app. Then we will create a new note. So in here, tap on the new button, create a new note. Then tap on the more button. Sorry, just go back in here. So this one show grid. I don't want it to show a grid. So I will create a new document in notes and tap on the more button. So this is not right. So I'm just gonna do it again. So there it is. So in here you can see when you tap on that, there is a scan button right there. So I will delete that. And then tap on the scan button. And again, it's very similar to the other apps, so it will automatically try to scan for you. If you tap on the shoot button, it will offer you to resize, so you can readjust your selection box, and then tap on keep scanning. And once you are happy, you can either keep scanning or you can tap on the save button. So tap on save, and that will save your PDF document in Note, and you can just go back and save that note as PDF. Now if you want to save the PDF as an individual PDF file, what you can do is we can tap on share, then we can tap on choose save to files, and in here we can tap on saved. So if we go to files, it should be saved in here. So let's go back in here and see where I save it to. So save to files, and it will be saved in pictures. So I will choose a different folder, downloads, IG Jungle's download, and I'll save it to my subfolder, and then test. So tap on save. Now if I go to files, downloads, and then subfolder, and then in test, So there it is. So that is the file we have just scanned. And that's it. So that is how you can use notes files to scan documents and save as PDF file. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.